Dreaming of an epic escape room party, but dreading the three-figure price tag? What if your biggest challenge wasn't a locked door, but keeping a straight face knowing you pulled it off for under $50?
Escape rock.
Ever dreamt of hosting an epic escape room party, but balked at the hefty price tag? Commercial escape rooms can easily run you $30 per person or more, making a group event prohibitively expensive. What if I told you that you could create an immersive, thrilling, and unforgettable escape room experience right in your own home for an entire group, all for under $50? Yes, it's absolutely possible. In this video, we're going to break down how to design, build, and execute a fantastic budget-friendly escape room party that will leave your friends raving without breaking the bank. Get ready to unlock your creativity and save some serious cash. Let's face it, the allure of commercial escape rooms is undeniable. Professional sets, intricate puzzles, and often dedicated staff create a seamless experience. But these come at a cost. Rent for a physical location, custom-built props, salaries for designers and game masters, and marketing all contribute to that per-person fee. A typical escape room with 6 players could easily hit $180 or more. For many, that's just not feasible for a casual party. Our mission is to replicate the thrill and mental challenge using ingenuity and readily available resources, proving that you don't need a massive budget to deliver an amazing time. The absolute cornerstone of a sub-$50 escape room is the DIY mindset. We're not buying elaborate kits or custom props. We're repurposing, reimagining, and creating. Think like a scavenger, a crafter, and a puzzle designer all rolled into one. Your home itself, with its existing furniture, books, and everyday objects, becomes your primary resource. This approach not only saves money, but also injects a unique, personal touch into your escape room, making it feel bespoke and special. Embrace the challenge, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve with a little creativity and zero expenditure on unnecessary items. The first, and arguably most crucial step, is choosing a compelling theme. This should cost you absolutely nothing. A good theme provides the foundational atmosphere and narrative for all your puzzles. Think about what you already have or can easily acquire. Ideas include mysterious library, spy mission, haunted attic, mad scientist's lab, or even ancient Egyptian tomb if you have some themed decor. The theme should be broad enough to inspire a variety of puzzles, but specific enough to feel cohesive. A strong theme elevates the experience from just a series of puzzles to an immersive adventure. Don't underestimate its power to engage your players. Once you have your theme, it's time to craft a simple yet engaging storyline. This narrative acts as the glue that binds your puzzles together. Why are your players trapped? What do they need to find or achieve? What's the ticking clock? For instance, in a mysterious library theme, perhaps they need to find a hidden manuscript before the library closes forever in 60 minutes. Or in a spy mission, they must disarm a device by solving a series of codes. Keep it concise. You don't need a novel, just enough context to give purpose to their actions. A compelling story makes the puzzles feel meaningful, not just random tasks. Consider your guest list carefully. For a budget escape room, especially in a home setting, fewer players often lead to a better experience. A group of 4 to 6 people is ideal. Too many players can lead to overcrowding, less engagement for individuals, and complicate puzzle design. Plus, keeping the group smaller helps manage potential costs for snacks later on. Invitations can be free. A digital invite via email, text, or social media is perfect. Save the fancy paper invites for another occasion. Clearly communicate the theme and any dress code if you want guests to participate in the fun with simple accessories. This builds anticipation without additional expense. Your home is your venue, and it's absolutely free. Select 1 or 2 rooms that you can easily transform and clear. A living room, dining room, or even a spare bedroom works well. The key is to declutter and remove any valuable or breakable. This creates a blank canvas for your escape room elements and ensures safety. Think about the flow. How will players move from one puzzle to the next? Designate specific areas for different stages of the game. Using existing furniture like bookshelves, drawers, and tables is crucial for hiding clues and setting up puzzles, integrating them seamlessly into the environment. This is where your creativity truly shines, and it costs nothing to brainstorm. Aim for a variety of puzzle types to keep players engaged. Think logic puzzles, riddles, search and find challenges, simple ciphers, pattern recognition, and tactile manipulation. Avoid puzzles that require specific knowledge your guests might not have. Integrate them with your theme. For example, a mysterious library might have a riddle leading to a specific book, or a code hidden within the page numbers. Plan for 5 to 7 puzzles, each leading to the next, with a clear final goal. The journey through these puzzles should feel like a progression, building excitement. Now, let's bring those puzzle ideas to life using what you already own. This is where we focus on spending under $5. For printables, utilize your home printer. The cost of a few sheets of paper and a little ink is negligible. Old books can have specific pages marked or highlighted. A simple calculator for a math puzzle. A piece of string for a maze in a drawer. Even kitchen utensils can become props. A secret message can be written with lemon juice and revealed with a hairdryer. Look for items that can be rearranged, combined, or manipulated to form clues. The beauty is in the resourcefulness. Authentic escape rooms often rely on combination locks and padlocks. For our budget version, we can be clever. Look for a cheap padlock at a dollar store or hardware store. You can often find a basic one for $3 to $5. This is likely your biggest single purchase. For other locks, get creative. A small jewelry box with a key hidden somewhere. A coded sequence of books on a shelf that reveals a word. A phone's password acting as a puzzle. Or simply a locked drawer secured with a piece of tape that players know not to open until they've found the key, a specific number or word. The psychological lock is often as effective as a physical one. Every good escape room needs a hint system. This costs nothing but your thoughtful planning. You, as the game master, are the ultimate hint provider. Prepare a few pre-written hints for each puzzle, ranging from subtle nudges to more direct solutions. You can deliver these verbally or have them hidden in envelopes labeled Hint 1, Hint 2, to be opened if players get stuck. Consider a 3-hint rule to encourage problem solving without completely stalling the game. Red herrings, misleading clues that don't lead anywhere, can add a layer of challenge, but use them sparingly to avoid frustration. The goal is challenging fun, not pure exasperation. Enhancing the ambiance can be done for under $5, primarily by utilizing what you have and making small, impactful additions. Dim the lights, draw the curtains, use existing lamps strategically. If you have string lights from the holidays, drape them. A few cheap balloons or streamers from a dollar store can establish a festive mood. Consider printing out a few themed images, like ancient maps, spy blueprints, and taping them to walls. Repurpose old sheets or blankets to create hidden areas or dramatic drapes. The goal is to transform the familiar into something mysterious and new, leveraging what's already present. Sound is incredibly powerful for immersion, and it's completely free. Curate a playlist of royalty-free background music that matches your theme. For a haunted attic, spooky ambient sounds work well. For a spy mission, instrumental suspense music. Platforms like YouTube and various music streaming services offer vast libraries of themed instrumental tracks and sound effects. Play this softly in the background throughout the game. It helps set the mood, masks outside distractions, and enhances the feeling of being in another world. A well-chosen soundtrack can dramatically elevate the entire experience without costing a single penny. Props don't have to be expensive. Your home is a treasure trove. But if you need something specific, a thrift store can be your best friend, often for under $5. Look for old books, quirky lamps, antique-looking boxes, or unique trinkets that fit your theme. An old magnifying glass, a compass, or a small globe can add authenticity to a travel or detective theme. Remember, these are not just decorative, they can be integrated into puzzles. An old photo frame might hide a clue, or a peculiar vase might contain a key. The trick is to find items that look interesting and can serve a dual purpose within your game. While not essential, encouraging guests to come in simple, thematic attire can add another layer of fun. This is entirely free for you and for them. Suggest something easy. Wear black for spy night. Dress like an explorer for an adventure theme. Or come as a mad scientist in a lab coat. You could also have a few simple accessories on hand, like cheap plastic fedoras, eye patches, or oversized glasses from a dollar store, again for under $5, to offer to guests as they arrive. These small touches enhance the immersive feel and make for great photos without any pressure or significant cost. Keep your refreshment costs under $10 by focusing on simple, crowd-pleasing options. A large bag of chips, some pretzels, and a big pitcher of water with lemon slices are inexpensive and effective. You could also make a big batch of iced tea or lemonade. To save even more, make it a BYOB party for drinks, and for food, a potluck, where everyone brings a small snack to share. This turns the food into a collaborative effort and diversifies the options without any cost to you. After all the puzzle solving, guests will appreciate something light and refreshing, and it doesn't need to be gourmet. You, the host, are also the game master. This role is crucial and costs absolutely nothing. Your job is to observe, offer hints when needed, keep track of time, and most importantly, maintain the energy and fun. You'll need to stay out of sight as much as possible, perhaps watching from another room or using a baby monitor if you want to be completely hands-off. Remember your pre-planned hints. Be ready to guide, but never give away the solution directly. Your enthusiasm is contagious, and a great game master can turn even a minor puzzle into a memorable moment. Embrace your role as the orchestrator of fun. Before your guests arrive, you must test your escape room. This is a free but absolutely essential step. Walk through every puzzle, every clue, every lock, exactly as your players will. Do they make sense? Is the difficulty level appropriate? Are there any unexpected dead ends or points of confusion? Set a timer and see if it's solvable within your desired time frame, typically 45 to 60 minutes. If possible, have a friend or family member who hasn't seen the setup test it. Their fresh perspective will highlight any flaws you missed. A well-tested room runs smoothly and prevents frustration for your guests. Even with testing, players can get stuck. Have a contingency plan. This costs nothing but foresight. Beyond your prepared hints, think about cheat sheets for yourself, detailing the solution path for each puzzle. This way, if players are truly lost or a puzzle isn't working as intended, you can quickly course correct without revealing everything. Also, have a graceful way to end the game if time runs out and they haven't finished, perhaps by revealing the final solution and walking them through the remaining steps. The goal is a fun experience, not necessarily a perfect solve rate. Flexibility is key to managing unexpected challenges. Safety is paramount and costs nothing. Before the game begins, make sure pathways are clear. Remove any trip hazards. Ensure no puzzles require dangerous actions or could damage your property. Clearly communicate any off-limits areas or items that are not part of the game. For example, if a specific drawer or cabinet is not meant to be opened, make that clear beforehand or secure it. Remind players that the game is about brain power, not brute force. A safe environment allows everyone to relax and fully immerse themselves in the challenge without worry. Prioritize player well-being above all else. The finale is your chance to create a memorable moment, and it doesn't need to be extravagant. For under $5, you could have a small bag of candy or a few cheap party favors hidden as the prize for escaping. If they're disarming a bomb, a simple sound effect of a disarmed click can be immensely satisfying. If they're finding treasure, a small themed box with a celebratory message works wonders. The reveal should align with your storyline and provide a sense of accomplishment. A simple "Congratulations, you escaped" with enthusiastic applause is often more than enough to make them feel like champions. After the game, the fun continues with a post-game debrief. This is completely free. Gather your players, talk about their favorite puzzles, and discuss any challenges they faced. Share some of the behind-the-scenes secrets of how you created certain puzzles. This fosters a sense of shared accomplishment and gives you valuable feedback for future events. Take plenty of photos and videos. Encourage guests to share them on social media, tagging your event. This extends the life of your party and creates lasting memories. The camaraderie and shared stories are just as important as the game itself, making the evening truly special. And there you have it, an incredible, immersive escape room party, designed, built, and executed for under $50. By embracing the DIY spirit, repurposing household items, and focusing on creative problem solving, you can deliver an unforgettable experience that rivals professional setups without the professional price tag. From theme to puzzles, ambiance to refreshments, every step can be budget-friendly with a little ingenuity. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your friends, unleash your inner puzzle master, and get ready to host the most epic, affordable escape room party ever. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more budget-friendly ideas, and share your own escape room tips in the comments below. Happy escaping!